Right, so we're going to be lowering the van today. Coilovers for the front, coilovers for the back. And I'm going to put it on my 21-inch Mercedes EQC wheels. This is what we're going to be using. It's a Pro Sport coilover set. So you've got to start by taking the wheel off. This bolt under here is 21mm. Pop that loose. And then your spring comes out. Easy as that. Look at that. Doesn't get much easier than that. Alright, I'm going to need this bit because I want it on the other spring. Alright, that bit gets tossed over there. Right, so my spring, my shock. The other side of this shock bolt is a 21mm, which is conveniently up here. Alright, that's the old shock. When you get your new one, you just put that on, followed by the old. Fairly simple. It says. Now you're going to get your new spring. Well, you got this thing here, it's your locator. So this will just stop the bottom of the spring dangling around all over the place. So it just bolts onto the bottom of the strap, bottom of the arm. You're going to get your spring. Then you're going to get the original Mercedes locator. Pop that in. You're going to get your spring, you're going to put that in there. This is the tricky part now. I need to lift this arm with this spring up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that nut bolt, which is here. Get this ready. I've got to try and lift this up and put this in all at the same time. So I'm still struggling. Got this big old bar here. I'm just going to use it. Lift that up. Whilst obviously putting that in there. Like that. Lift that up there. The other side was easy, this side. So easy. There you go. Job done. Now just going to tighten it all up. So that's done. Right. There we go. The spring's in your shock. Actually top mount. As you see, that's at an angle, so that's a bit awkward, but it does go in. And then that's your locator. Tighten up when the wheel's in the car. That's it. Done. Right, put the wheel on, lower it down. The fronts are a lot more annoying. I'll take all this wiper arm unit off because these are the bolts here for the top of the strut. Also, to get them wipers off, I had to use a puller either side of the arm and then pop the arm off. I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, you've got to take the front cowl off. All this section's got to come off. These ones are easy to get to because I can see. But these ones I've got to remove all this wiper arm assembly, which is a pain in the arse, but here we are. And then just empty bolts and that anti-wobble link. That's it. Should actually right, so this front one has been a bit of a pain in the arse. I'm not gonna lie. But it's in. But look, so I'm gonna take all that plastic off, and then this metal bit that houses that wiper arm assembly. You've got to bend this out of the way. There's your strut top mounts there. You have to get access from underneath. Same with this side. Now I can get under there. Just a pain, just an alright pain, but we're getting there. We are getting there. And obviously, the last bolt wants to try and turn on you, so we have to. Thank God Mercedes have put that little Torx bit inside the bolt, otherwise I'd have had to gone out and buy a new anti-roll bar link, which is a pain in the ass. Right. WD-40 anti-roll bar. That is a must. Let's see if it'll come undone. Probably won't. Can't believe it. It flew out, mate. Right. Next, WD-40 these up. Because why not? Get your big old gun. Spanner. 21mm socket. One. Yes. Right. There she goes. There she goes. Right. And your roll bar is down. Cool. There you go. Right. That's your arm off. Now you'll do is undo the box at the top. Easy. Right. So. Ideally I wanted it to be lower, but it's not too bad. I think I'm gonna roll this arch a bit, because as you can see, that all sticks out a little bit, whereas this one sticks in a bit. Unless I can adjust the camber. Yeah, maybe I'll have a look at that in a minute. Might be able to adjust the camber, bring that wheel in. Overall, I think it looks pretty good.